note with the prosecutor going first. We're gonna be at a 3-minute limit. Let's begin. Prosecutors go.
Okay. I will prove without reasonable doubt that Cora knew and did nothing about the murder of Jesse Studevant. I think that's it, right? Is that pretty good?
You're prosecuting on this. I mean,
Yeah, I'm gonna prosecute. Oh, yeah, I'm good. Open it.
Defense.
ladies and gentlemen of the court, I'm here to prove that Cora is innocent of the accused crime, and I will prove that Cora did not know about the murder of Jesse or the abortion. Thank you.
At this time, we're gonna go with cross-examination. All right. Prosecutors, you got the first witness.
Yes, I'd like to call on Cora.
Okay.
Ms. Cora, did you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
So Cora, you were close with Jesse, correct?
Yes, sir.
And she basically confided in you with everything,
Yes, she
correct?
did.
So did you know she was pregnant?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And tell me about the Kansas City trip.
Well, her mother told me that her and Jesse were going to take a Kansas City trip, but they were only going shopping. I didn't know she was going to take her there for any other reason. I wanted to speak to her mother, but her mother seemed to not want to really say too much to me about it or anything, so I just waited for him to go on the trip and come back. And she told me they were going shopping, and that's all she told me.
And you believed that they were just going there to shop.
Deep in my heart, I did not believe they were
So
going
you
to
did
shop.
not know. What did you think was going to go on in Kansas City?
Personally, I felt that she was going to try to talk her daughter into having an abortion.
So you knew that there was going to be an abortion.
So, Stain, you're gonna know about accusations. We're here for facts. Only got facts on why. Not here to understand why she went. It's the only facts. So we didn't need only facts at this time.
The only thing that I could say I knew for a fact was that they were going to go shopping.
So, okay. Now, when they came back from this shopping trip, what was the state that Jesse was in?
She was sick. She appeared to be very ill.
Okay. So you knew there was something not right.
I did know in my heart something was not right.
Did you tell anybody that she was not right, not feeling good anymore after this trip, that you thought an abortion took place on?
No, sir. The only thing I did was mention to her mom that she should probably see a doctor, and she told me no. So I said something to the father/husband, that I thought Jesse needed to see a doctor. And that was basically all I felt that I could do. I didn't want to lose my job, and I didn't.
So you didn't feel like you could have done anything else?
When I tried to speak to the mother, she just kind of brushed me off, sir, and I wasn't really sure if I could go any further with it without losing my job.
Going to jail, leaving the witness.
Overruled.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. I think that's about it. I'm done questioning the witness.
You finished cross-examination?
Now, Mrs. Cora, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you work for Arthur and Elizabeth?
Yes,
That's made correct?
yes.
Correct. Do you think that you were working for this family, were you able to speak your mind and they gave you the free will? In other words, were you afraid to speak your mind?
To a certain degree, I was.
Miss Elizabeth and Mr.
To a certain degree, I was afraid that if I said certain things, I might lose my job. But I have said things in front of both of them, you know, so it wouldn't be said that I said anything behind anybody's back, but to a certain degree, I was afraid I would only go so far with what I had to say to them, and then I wouldn't say anything else.
Also, a record states here that you lost a daughter, yes?
Yes, my daughter was sick, and
So, yes, I understand you know the feeling of losing someone you love here.
yes, I do.
On a specific date, when Mrs. Elizabeth took Jesse to Kansas City, you were not aware, once again, that what was going to happen. Once you thought they were going on a shopping spree,
I
correct?
couldn't understand why she was taking her all the way to Kansas to go shopping. So it sounded kind of crazy to me, but the lady of the house has a she's I don't know, between her and her husband, they have this thing going on. It's like she's one wearing the pants, in other words. Even though he's the man, it's like she's one wearing the pants. You know, it's like her way or no way. And
Did you know about Willie, Jesse's boyfriend?
I knew about Willie, and I knew that she loved him, yes.
How did Miss Elizabeth feel about Willie being a boyfriend to Jesse?
Well, I heard her say that before the young man, before he progressed, that, you know, he came from one stage of life to another, that was progress. But there was a time when she wouldn't even allow him in her house. I think she's the type of person that degrades people. It's like she's better than, but they were allowing him to date their daughter, and so that's pretty much what it was, you know.
Jesse and Willie weren't
Yes, they were.
wanted to get married.
Yes, they did.
And Miss Elizabeth was not for it, was she?
No, she did not approve of it. She said it was Greek. She did not approve of it.
But then she took the next step and took Miss Jessie to Kansas City for an abortion.
Yes, she did.
I'm talking as defense attorney.
No further questions for now?
You were great.
No further questions.
It will lead to down extension 153. It will lead to down extension 153.
Statement time? At this point in time, we're gonna go to the closing statement. Prosecutor? Yeah.
Okay. We heard a lot of different things in this courtroom today. She definitely admitted to knowing about an abortion, and I feel like that's enough to prosecute. That's it.
May I say something?
Defense?
We have to take into account that we are missing a witness, a star witness, which should be Dr. Walter Siegel.
Okay.
Are you aware of that? He is not in this courtroom at
No,
this
man,
moment.
wasn't aware of that. Wasn't aware.
So should we take a recess, so we could find this Dr. Walters and ask him a couple of questions?
Well, he's in jail at this point in time.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Yes,
I
he
was
is.
unaware of that, Your Honor.
Okay.
No further questions.
Okay, at this point in time, we're gonna have a recess moment. We'll get back. Just pause it.